Finally, the YouTube channel's launched. We're extremely excited about this. After a whole bunch of encouragement, we're gonna make it happen. So, for those who don't know, I'm Dean G. This is the Dean G Fabrication Workshop. We're located southeast Melbourne, Victoria, and we are a fabrication and engineering company that does everything. We do commercial, we do general fabrication, and we are known for our performance automotive fabrication. So we're gonna show you about our journey, what we do, our team. We all have a whole bunch of fun along the way, and we'll have a look through the workshop right now, and we'll show you a whole bunch of content we got coming your way. Check it out. Here's a few things that you can look forward to seeing on the channel. Things like Jason's Fairlane. So Jason's Fairlane, we've mounted the engine. It's a twin turbo car, a big tyre race car, and it's gonna be a whole bunch of fun. Come over here. Over here we've got Yanni's XE. So this is a Barrow converted car, and we've been taking it to the track quite a bit. And you'll see where we go from factory suspension to coilovers, and then setting it up and everything we do along the way. So this is gonna be a bit of an R&D car, and you'll see a whole bunch more on this. Up here, we've got my VK. For those who don't know my VK, we have a lot in store for this car. We got some stuff to show you about that. So this is going to be a part of our build series. So some of these cars come into us from factory form. So this is Simo's HGU. So this is going to be a full rear clip car. It's going to have a roll cage and some connecting rails, and it's going to be engineered for the street. So there's a big long process for that. So we'll show you what we do and how we go about it, and everything to Victorian standards. Up here we've got Mark's Tirana. Mark's Tirana has been a big process for us. It's a whole rear clip with a whole bunch of custom fabrications to suit how the car came to us with some previous work that wasn't up to scratch. We've had a whole bunch of people jump on board with us to make this special, so stay tuned and we'll show you everything we do from our day-to-day stuff to our build series and everything we do in between, so come and check it out. I wanna go fast! What is this? We love our street. Hey mate, not much, just trying to do a YouTube and you're interrupting me, guys. We're going to be including a bunch of our day-to-day stuff and all the jobs we do in between things. We've had a whole bunch of people, we've said bunch too many times, haven't I? Come back.